whose defection shocked you the most?
No, see, it was always said that 5 guys are resigning first. My 6 jana group zala, 8 jana group zala, 9 jana group zala. And sign malya, 10 sign malya. These were all floating. All these rumors were floating. So, to be honest, I'm not shocked. I'm not shocked by all these. It was expected. I'm not shocked at all. These things happen. But definitely we need to look the way forward. For me, it is not the defection. It is primarily to fight for Goa and Goans at large. Today I have a role and my colleagues have a role. We said that together as a united opposition with other Amge Vijay aha, Zao Wenzi aha, Cruz aha, Viresh aha, they are all very vocal. And with my party colleagues, I am quite sure that we will be very vociferous. It is not necessary that, if you could see.
So you are not necessarily looking at an opposition space, a Congress space, but now you are accommodating everybody else.
The Congress is the single largest party still. It is still the single largest party. There is no doubt about it. And the Congress will play the role of the principal opposition party. There is no doubt about it. But across political and party lines, we need to think what is in the interest of the state.
Do you believe that all of you need to come together as an opposition, considering what happened in the last election?
Definitely, yes. I do believe.
So you are going to pitch for united opposition?
Yes, definitely, yes. But you have to also be realistic. You can't say that you are going to contest all the 40 seats. Yes. How can you then? You have to be realistic. You have to look at the numbers. There has to be some scientific approach because the mantra of the BJP is divide and rule. They sold a narrative. And which was to the people that, see, we didn't get a clear mandate. The answer to this or the defections or whatever is the people have to give a clear mandate, maybe 20, 21 seats. We have to get a clear mandate. Then these things can be stopped.
Look, you have the lokancha's prashna, and you can. I'm not criticizing you or blaming you because you have taken a very, very good decision of staying with your party.
Yeah.
Defection is never good for democracy. It is never good for society or socio-political landscape of any state. But सदाच हो मुद्दे येता की काँग्रेसीचेच आमदार कित्याक फुटतात, बाकीच्यांचे कित्याक फुटनात. आता नॅशनली सगळेजण तेच म्हणतात की अरे आमचे आमदार आहात, फुटपाचो प्रयत्न करतात, आमचे फुटनात, काँग्रेसीचेच कित्याक वतात.
See, I feel that the answer to that, I cannot answer why only Congress MLAs. See, the criteria first is that I feel there has to be an amendment into the anti-defection law of the 10th schedule. I think Goa is a prime example.
No, till now all the amendments have happened because of Goa only.
Yes.
So we need one more amendment now.
Yes, we need. I think the BJP is in power. If we could propose it in the House, but it has to be done by our Prime Minister.
Yeah.
So they should propose this. They are in power now. They have
what
the numbers.
amendment you want?
No, that if elected for 5 years, you have to be in one party or you resign and go. You
face
cannot
the electorate again.
Exactly. You
No
have to
two-third.
have the guts to face the electorate.
No 2/3.
And a 2/3 be the fokan.
नाकाच. वचपा जाय, परत लोकां म्हऱ्यान वचात, mandate घेयात, मागीर वचात.
सारकें.
That is you are saying that is the best alternative.
Yes, that is the only
Let
alternative.
people decide again.
Yes.